So I gotta start a new series of going inside of my iPad to find out what app is actually worth it or not. Going inside of the App Store, see what apps out there, buy them and try them, and let's see what they do. So if you have any suggestion for calling this series, let me know what you guys think of. What do you guys think we should call this series? We don't want games today. I already have tried a lot of games, but we gotta go inside of the App Store, and let's go with most popular, one of those that you have to pay for. Noteshelf. What does this one do? Well, I think when it comes to note taking, Notability wins it all. Okay, here's one thing that I do. I go inside of the app, I press the more button, and I usually come down and see when was this app updated to see if this is a very good way of knowing if the app is actually worth it, because you want to see the developers are being active on this. And by looking at this, they've been releasing update quite recent. They have been releasing a couple of updates recently. So let's see what it does. Experience natural handwriting, annotate document, multiple windows, midnight dark mode, record audio. Well, that's like Notability, but what do you do that is different? Well, I like the way that you organize your notes. So I think we're gonna give this a try. I have tried so many note-taking apps that I think we should try it, since it has been recently updated as well. So we're gonna press download. $9.99 right now is number 10 on the productivity list. So Noteshelf, 1, 2, you guys ready? 3. Will this take over Notability for me? Use iCloud, of course. So it does use iCloud. But here's the thing. One thing I do not like. Look at Notability when you open it up. How cool it is. How clean it is. And look at here. It's, I don't know, maybe because I don't have anything in here. But let's create a note. What's my Apple Pencil? 95%. So let's create, quick create. We have different type of papers that we can use. Change template. So see, we have different modes that we can use. Standard, digital, mobile, custom, and free download, so you could be inspired and go and grab something that someone else has done. Okay. Well, this is interesting that you could collab with other people. This is really, really nice. Okay, I like this. And then you could buy templates eventually, I'm assuming, or get them for free. We have productivity. Oh, you gotta sign up for the club. So we have basic right here. We could zoom in, zoom out, and change orientation. Let's try to see how it feels writing on it, actually, because that's the important part. I do not like it. You see the difference in writing ability? Maybe it's the different, you could use a different type of pen with this app. Nah, not my cup of tea. I like this pen much better than the first two. And then we have the regular pencil. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Let's look at the colors they have. So now we could change the size. You could pick out favorites. See, one function that it has is with Notability. When I draw a straight line, I could basically go like that. So it makes it really easy to draw graphs and draw shapes. Now the reason that I'm comparing this with Notability, because right now Notability is my ultimate note-taking app. So in that term, I am just comparing best and worst. But in here you have to use the shape to be able to make those shapes out of it. Not bad. Okay, let's look at this. So we have here too, in case you want to write down and make it easier. Again, for the highlighter, you could change the type of the highlighter. So we have the first one and the second one, the puffy one. But do you know what? I'm actually a bit enjoying this application. Oh, here's one thing that I don't like. When it overlaps, it doubles the intensity of it. And I mean, I see that being useful, but sometimes that just annoys. Collaborate. This is nice. So I could search for love and find something that it's nice. Oh my god, this is really cool. You could tap on it, resize it, put it right here. I just added my dog's photo right here. Let's put him right here. What else can we add? Record audio. Oh, so it's recording right now. As soon as you put it, it starts recording. But one thing that it doesn't do, it doesn't track your writing. That's, or does it? Will you do it with me and find love? I don't know. I'm just okay. So it doesn't track. Now by tracking, this is what I mean. For instance, if I start recording right here, this is very cool, okay? And I play it back, it follows it. So that's what I mean by tracking. So it doesn't have that option, which is a huge negative for me. We could import document and you could add emojis, bookmark this page. Let's add an emoji. Very cool. And when you come back, you have your notepad. Or you could create a new notepad. They could import from Apple Watch, import from document, import from imported scans, which you could scan stuff and import it in. Very cool. Will it replace my note-taking app? No. I see a lot of good things in here, but I think there is a lot of flaws in here. First of all, I love it when you open it up and the way that it's set up. By the way, let me see if we can change the appearance. Maybe we could make it more personalized and Maybe you could improve the way it looks. That's the only thing we can change in appearance. So the color is the only thing you could change inside of the appearance. This makes it a little plain. Handwriting, you could choose the type of your handwriting that you have. Stylus, you could choose the type of stylus you have. Pressure sensitive, you want it to be pressure sensitive, you turn it on. You don't want it, you turn it off. Double tap, of course. Pretty generic. Backup, you have backup. It has 3 options: Dropbox, Evernote, OneCloud. Apple School, set that one out. Free cover paper and templates. There is templates out there that you can use. I don't think the audio recording aspects of it is as good as Notability, so that's a thumbs down. And in terms of its shareability versus OneNote, I don't think is as good as OneNote, and I think OneNote does a better job with their templates and the way they have set up their shelves, the way it looks, the options that you have. I think this is very limited, the options that you have, and the appearance of it. For some reason, I was really fond of the intro of this amazing app, and I was very surprised, and I thought that this is gonna take over my note-taking app. But when I actually got my hands on it and I went inside of the application itself, it was not what I expected it to be. As of right now, I gotta give it a thumbs down. Not worth the $10. Save your money. If you really want the audio recording aspect, go with Notability. If you want the look in terms of the shelf and stuff like that, go with OneNote. But I don't like OneNote personally because of its pen and the way it writes. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. If you like to see more apps, then don't forget to follow me. Let me know what app you want to try next, and we'll be sure to purchase it and see what it does.